Hi everyone, my name is F.C.R and welcome to another review video. In this video of today we're gonna have a closer look on my first keeper jersey that I own of Manchester City of 2023-2024. It's of course customized with Ederson on the back, any Premier League winners patch, any no room for racism patch. Before I have a closer look on this jersey, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, way more cool stuff's in the way, so don't miss it out. I got this jersey from Messiok.com, check the link in the description down below to find out who the seller is. This one is the Puma fan version, so now let's have a closer look. So that's this keeper jersey of Manchester City. Let me know what you guys think. I think this one is really nice. I really like the color combination of the darker green with that neon green. It's really nice. So let me know what you guys think. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to not miss any future review video. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.